Good morning. This is Math 4, math lesson for Thursday, April 2nd. So lesson 117, you can go ahead and tear that paper out of your book so that you're ready to work on it. Today we're going to be multiplying again, but today we're going to be multiplying money. Okay? It's going to have the same pattern, the same way that we do it. We're just adding the dollar sign and the decimal into the appropriate places. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do number 1 for you. And if you'll look at the green box on your worksheet, it says Sunday school order. So the Sunday school needs to order some New Testaments. Each New Testament costs $8.36. And how many do they need? They need 16. So we would need to multiply $8.36 times 16 to see how much it's going to cost us to get all of the New Testaments that we need. Okay, so if you look down on number 1, we need to use the chart. And what does it say on number 1? It says scissors. Okay, so the scissors cost $2.19 and they need how many? 57. Okay, so that's my multiplication problem. And I always want to put the number that has the most numbers on the top. So $2.19, I want to put that on the top. Okay. And I want to multiply it times 57. Now, you've got squares to work in, so make sure that this is just one square. Don't give your decimal its own square. That would make things a little confusing. So you should have 3 squares. Okay? And then I'm going to multiply this just as if I don't see the decimal or the dollar sign right now. And we'll come back and we'll mess with that here in just a second. So I have 9 times 7, which is 63. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now I want to mark that ones place out. You can mark it out with an X or a 0, and I want to do my tens place. 9 times 5 is 45. I'm going to mark that 6 out. 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 5 times 2 is 10. Let's add those numbers up. That's a really big number we've got, but now this is when we have to come back and say, okay, well, I'm doing money, so when I have money, I should have 2 numbers behind the dollar sign to show my cents. So I want my first 2 numbers to be behind the decimal to show my cents. So I'm going to put my decimal point right there, and I need a dollar sign. So how much are those scissors going to cost? $124.83. Okay, so multiplication just the same way you've been doing it, but paying attention. I will mark it wrong if you don't have your dollar sign in your decimal, okay, because that makes a big difference. Otherwise, this would be $12,483, and that is a lot of money for scissors. Okay, I'm looking at the rest of it. You should be able to do it. The back has a similar chart, just the same. So give me your very best and you guys can get started.